Hello from Not Factory Approved. I decided to up my game today, get all dressed up. No, actually, I happen to be all dressed up. I just thought I'd do this ask while I'm all dressed up. At least not completely grubby anyway. So it's recently come to my attention that the YouTuber has upped their game, their demands, so that they will not monetize anybody unless you have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of viewed material. So it used to be 4,500 minutes, and I exceeded that, and now it's dropped off to 0 again for me. So 4,000 hours is not a threshold I ever expect to exceed. So if you would consider moving over to rumble.com to watch these videos, then at least they will monetize immediately. May not be much, but it's a little bit of a help. So if you would consider doing that, I'd appreciate it. If you want to continue with the YouTube, I would be fine with that as well. Thanks for watching. I hope you have enjoyed the material I've presented so far, and I will continue doing what I can. Thank you.
Welcome to Not Factory Approved. Today I'm going to show how we make, they're called luminaries, which are ice blocks made from filling a balloon half full with water, letting it freeze outside, which is a handy thing in the prairies, because in the winter it will always freeze. Then hollowing out spaces for tea light candles. One style, first style that I will show you, is making it with the tea light underneath the ice and a chimney, and that lights the whole block of ice. The second method is to just drill a recess in the top for a tea light, and that lights the ice block, but you can still see the candle, and it doesn't glow as much as the first method. This is another one of my middle daughter's ideas, and I'll show you what it looks like in the end. If you enjoy, make your Christmas brighter. The tools you will need for this project are a couple of electric battery-powered drills, or can be a plug-in as well. I'm using a 5/8 inch masonry bit, although ½ inch would probably be fine, but masonry works better than a standard drill bit to get through the ice. I'm using a heat gun to melt the block of ice that gets formed in the hole saw. And the hole saw I'm using is 1¼ inch, 1.5 or 1 inch would probably work fine as well. And that's about it. Heat gun, drills, drill bits, hole saw, and gloves.
Yeah, it depends like the brand of balloon too, because some of them were like dollar store and others were higher end. Yeah.
You don't need to get your hands full. Surprised how well this masonry bit works.
Oh, sorry. Bump ya. Got it. I don't feel like moving the desk. I'll kick it to my desk today.
It's the total progeny, except for grandkids. It's always good when you can hand off a job. Oh, that's great. That's what I want to hear.
I wondered about just putting the tea light on top of them and maybe hoping they melt down, but probably wouldn't work.
Guess who was on the bed?
Oh
Well, what if she pees on your bed?
no! No, she wouldn't.
Let's see that now. Go.
Okay, coming. Yeah, so many. Look at them all.
That's so many.
Oops, don't fall into them.
Hi. Hi, baby. You like the lights? What? You came looking for me?
Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, or even notify, or any of the above, or all of the above. Thank you.